Paying hundreds or even thousands each year for home insurance? What if you could slash your premium by 20 to 40% without giving up coverage? Stay tuned. I'm breaking down the exact tips, discounts, and negotiation tactics today. Mortgage and liability requirement, lenders demand coverage, catastrophic safety net, protects against fire, storms, liability suits. Your home is too valuable to gamble. Rising climate risks, even low-risk areas face floods, earthquakes, wildfires in 2025. Don't trust referrals alone. Realtors and brokers may steer you for kickbacks. Always verify online reviews. Use multi-carrier platforms. Quote 10 to 17 insurers at once. AAA, Progressive, Steadily, Westfield, Citizens. True cost comparison. Compare total cost, premium plus deductible risk, not just sticker price. High deductible strategy. If you can cover smaller losses out of pocket, pick the highest deductible your emergency fund allows. Premiums drop significantly. Hybrid policies. Owners combine a floater policy for dependent structures, for example, detached garage with individual add-ons for upgrades or older buildings. Occupancy matters. Owner-occupied versus rental versus vacant versus short-term rental. Honesty here avoids claim denials. So, when you bundle your auto and home insurance or add a companion policy, you can actually get a combined discount of about 15 to 30%. That's a pretty big deal. And you know, if your home is newly built, or you've done renovations that meet current code, you could save even more. Things like alarm systems, monitored smoke detectors, and living close to hydrants or fire stations can really make a difference. Plus, if your roof is impact resistant, or your home has brick or other sturdy exteriors, or even seismic bracing upgrades, those can all add up to solid savings. There are also credits for lifestyle and loyalty. So if you're a first-time homebuyer, have a non-smoker household, use paperless billing, or pay your premium in full, you might see some extra discounts. And sticking with the same insurer over time can unlock long-term renewal discounts. Oh, and don't forget about smart home tech. Things like leak detectors, video doorbells, and smart thermostats are starting to lead to new rate cuts as we head into 2025. When it comes to dwelling coverage, you want to set it to the true replacement cost of your home, not the market value. It's smart to use builders' calculators. Usually you multiply your square footage by somewhere between $150 and $250. For other structures and personal property, only buy the limits you actually need. There's no reason to over-insure things you rarely use, and for additional living expenses, or AIL, make sure you negotiate for a full 24-month or statutory limit. Don't just settle for some arbitrary cap. One more thing. Ordinance and law riders are important if you have an older home. They cover code upgrade costs, which are often excluded by default. It's really important to document everything. Do a pre-loss video and photo inventory of your contents. And, keep all your receipts, contractor bids, and any code upgrade quotes organized in a spreadsheet. When it comes to dealing with adjusters, just remember, the friendly adjuster you meet first might hand things off to someone a little tougher, so you have to be persistent. If your claim ends up being over $10,000, it might be worth considering a public adjuster. They can sometimes recover 20 to 30% more for you. So here's something to keep in mind. Big storm or hurricane seasons can often trigger non-renewal hikes of like 20 to 40%. It's a good idea to shop early, honestly. Even if your area is considered low risk, with all the wild weather in 2025, flood and earthquake endorsements are actually worth the extra premium. And hey, some lenders offer mortgage servicer group rates tied to your policy, so always compare those with what you find on public exchanges. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Shop broadly, think like 10 or more carriers. Pick a high deductible you can actually cover if you need to. Stack up those bundles and safety credits. Make sure your limits and riders fit your actual needs. Document everything for smooth claims, and don't forget to plan ahead for future catastrophes. If these tips could save you hundreds or even thousands, hit like. Subscribe to InsureSavvy for more insider insurance hacks each week, and drop a comment. Let us know which tip surprised you the most. Thanks for watching InsureSavvy. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.